This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 26, 2022. It's currently June 21st, 2022, 9:19 p.m. The overall theme and behavior for the day, a range is highlighted. An important range is highlighted. It looks like probably the upper end of a range is highlighted. Or we could be range bound. When we look closer, I'll be able to determine that. We have a notable move. I mean, this will stand out, at least on a one-day chart. A big move to the downside off of a steep decline off of the high, the day's high, and that'll mark an opportunity to open up a long position. And it's a steep decline through an important support level to meet the day's low as well here. So this is a bearish day. Interesting. And there's a breakout highlighted in there. Very, very interesting. We want to trade around the completion of a rally marked by a fast sudden move higher and then a breakdown through a diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. That'll be the upper end of a range, I believe. In the pre-market, we have sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend preceding a decline. Looks like it blends with a failed attempt to break through a key resistance level that may be right around the open. And then that failed attempt turns into a decline through a key support level. That decline right around the open marks an opportunity to open up a long position or calls. Looks like likely for a very quick day trade here. We have a day's high somewhere around there as well, or a prominent crest, we should say. Looks like a rally or a move higher of some sort that marks an opportunity to open up a short position transpires between roughly 11 and 12, and then there's bullish price swings there in the midst of that rally. Bullish price swings, so looks like a trough around 11 and then bullish price swings out of that opportunity there. So the opportunity to open up a short position or protect against long positions that I'm just speaking of is probably between the most likely between like the 10 and 12 o'clock hour. And then we have an important support level highlighted with rotation along that support level, increasing in bullish sentiment as we move forward through the 12 to 1 o'clock-ish hour. A lot of movement is made. We want to likely trade out of any long position, cash in on any long position in the midst of that midday kind of bullish rotation, because we have a prominent move lower that takes place roughly between 1 and 2. U-shaped dip within that forms somewhere around like two diagonal trend lines that intersect. U-shaped dip between roughly 2 and 3, and then there's an intentional fake out shakeout in the last hour. Be careful of that intentional. The computers are intentionally pushing humans around looking for us to do something stupid before they make the move that they intend to make. It looks like it's a bullish move that's a fake out, because we have the overview card for the following day is a prominent move lower, possibly some real bearish price swings as well. And there's a lower low than the 26th, highlighted on the 27th as well. When I look at the 27th, on the overview for the month, we're revisiting an important support level that was recently a past opportunity. In the midst of some sideways rotation, there's a sharp dip to revisit that opportunity. That's what I see there roughly. It's a good trade opportunity as well. All right, guys, that's the 26th of July, 2022 for the S&P 500. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button, guys. We're going to do the rest of July right here live on TikTok and nowhere else. I'm recording them. You'll see me repeat some things. That's because I'm recording to post them all to YouTube tonight. But this is the only place right now here live on TikTok where you're going to get this information. It's the earliest you can get it. It's free. Eat it up, my friends. It is valuable information. If you know how to trade, you got an average of a 98% average accuracy predicting by the hour on these guys, and we've done thousands. I've done tens of thousands of one-day predictions of the S&P 500. Bring it, my friends.